Rules of accounting. Let's simplify. The basic golden rules. 3 golden rules behind every transactions. Rule number personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Example, you pay your suppliers. Supplier is the receiver, so debit them. Rule number 2. Account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For example, buy a computer, it comes in debit, cash goes out, credit. Rule number 3. Debit expenses and losses, credit income and gains, pay salary, it's and earn interest, that's income, credit. Remember, personal, people, real, asset, nominal, profit and losses. Master these things on accounting. Thank you.